Alright, so I figured I'd make the video now on the announcement I said I was gonna make from yesterday and making that today. I'm gonna show you my food right here. It's about to be the last look of the food you about to get because I will be doing a fast. I will be doing a fast for me personally. And I done my own research and all that. I've done everything I needed to do um, about knowing how to fast and different types of workouts I need to do for basketball. But the fast I'm gonna do is a juice fast and a water fast, and this fast will last 2 months. All right, so I'll be posting every day for 2 months on my fast, and big milestones I will save for Instagram, Facebook, whatever. So I'm doing a whole 2 month fast, non-breaking for me. So if you guys can realize the benefits, and I don't really see many disadvantages to this. If you guys see the advantages of this, and you can psychologically and logically figure it out, good for you. But I'm not gonna say it, cause I figure it out. You motherfuckers gotta figure it out. So I know my shit. Y'all know your shit. You gotta figure out our shit together. So you gotta come together. I came halfway. You gotta come halfway. So you gotta understand for you on fasting and sleeping better. You guys have to understand that to the fullest. So I'll let you guys know tomorrow, but I'll be making 2 week intervals of my progress, and that'll be what, like 4 videos in total. Now in 2 weeks, and then 2 weeks again, and another 2 weeks. So that's 4 months. So we should be a-okay with that. Quick mass. What's up, y'all? How you doing? How you feeling? It's an update on my fast. I'm feeling all right with it. Feeling okay. It's the third day, going to the fourth day, and ain't nothing really changed. I mean, a little bit hungry when I wake up, a little bit hungry throughout the day, but that's the change that your body needs to take. That's the change it needs to reveal to your body and mind and soul, because you need to cleanse your body. I figured I'd do just a 1 month fast though, because the water fast is really for weight loss. I really just want to slow down my metabolism. So, just secrets I'm trying to give out. But, I'm feeling all right though. I'm feeling okay. And I'm going to keep updating you guys all the time. I just couldn't update you guys from before because I had things going on. But yeah, I'm all right though. Yeah, that's it. I'll keep you guys updated. See you guys tomorrow and the day after, whatever. Chilling. About to be 6 days fasting. Oh man, sorry, I can't hold a phone. But yeah, it's about to be 6 days fasting. I'm just thinking like, yo, I can't wait to eat again, yo. I can't wait to have my protein and my smoothies and to be eating again. It's gonna be like, I was thinking that it's gonna be more sincere eating, and then I'm gonna be balling. I'm gonna be working on my dribble, all that stuff, trying to find some courts, all that good stuff. But yeah, bro, so it's a little update for y'all. It's gonna be fun, man. I can't wait to eat again, but I'm enjoying the process at the same time. It's a better feeling during and after when you enjoy the process and you know the end goal you're trying to reach. So overall, I'm enjoy it. In 20 minutes? Yeah, 20 minutes. It's about to be 8 days of fasting. Yo, from like the 6th day, the 7th day, and about to be the 8th day. It's like a whole release of energy that's not needed. You know what I mean? I released some of the past energy from before, but now just that zone feels so much more empty, and that zone could be more happiness. So release that bad energy, yo. Release it. Day 12, about to go in an hour. How you doing? How you feeling? I'm feeling all right. I'm feeling good. Man, listen, you will be bored doing this. You will not be awake. You will fall asleep. You will stub your toe. You will feel like, yo, I'm going to give up. This ain't easy. But at the end of the day, you gotta know your why. You gotta know your why and know why you're doing it. I mean, for example, doing this fast cleans out your liver. So having a clean liver is like 40% of your whole system, part of the gut biome. So you being able to clean out your liver, you'll be golden. Clean, no more alcohol, no more nothing. Stay clean, baby. Stay clean. Update on the fast. About to be 13 days in 10 to 20 minutes. So just an update on it. I feel all right. I feel the same. My superpowers are growing. All the same thing. Thank you for caring. Thank you for worrying about me. Not worrying about some. I'm gonna leave it at that. All right. So quick update on the fast. I'm feeling all right. Feeling okay. Feeling the same. Feeling better. Always feeling good. I can say anything and feel all right. But my abs are coming out. That's what I wanted to say mainly. But this fast is helping me a lot. About to be day 20 of the fast, baby. I'm looking fresh, looking nice. Yo, today, I think I flew. I flew in the air today, man. Yo, I'm telling you, from experience, there's a lot of people that say fasting is good for you, for a sport athlete, for an athlete. Yo, they haven't done it. They haven't done anything at all with fasting, intermittent fasting. This stuff works. You got to be able to actually try it for yourself, mentally, physically, and emotionally. You can't just go off information and people going off information. Someone actually has to do it. And then if you actually see, you'll see. Do a 3-day fast, do a 5-day fast. But what I was saying from before, you gotta be able to be in tune with yourself. You gotta be in tune with yourself. A lot of willpower, a lot of might. But at the end of the day, it's worth it, baby. I'm looking spectacular, feeling spectacular. About to crush it for these last days. Let's go. Raw, raw, raw fasting, baby boys, baby girls. My bad camera skill. But I'm just excited, yo. 7 more days till I'm done with the fast, yo. Yo, my superpowers are crazy. I literally have no more pain in my body. I've been picking up my workouts. I pick up the intensity, but that's already saying too much about how I'm going to come back and just demolish everybody. Yo, I'm telling you right now, blowing by everybody, muscling everybody, the whole thing. Smarter, on and off the court, computer science getting better. Come on, man. You know this. Oh. I can count how many days left on my single hand of how many days are left in my fast. Are you kidding me? Oh man, you know your boy got the. You know your boy got the gut. You know this. You know that perseverance and will and grit is within me. It's within all of us. But at the end of the day, you gotta be able to do what you want, have the right research, have the right plan, and do what you want, baby. Oh, I know more. Oh, man. Day and there, I'm flying every day. Come on now, 5 days left. I'm about to let you know how I feel, how I look, all that stuff. Peace. Peace sign. The peace sign. Always fulfill your heart with peace. A lot of people fulfill their heart with stupidity and distractions. The peace sign, this also means 2 more days of a fast. I train a lot of kids and I just realized that a lot of kids are distracted, but they don't know a lot of information. That's the same thing in adults. A lot of adults sound like kids. asking the wrong questions, saying the wrong things. When you fast, your mind is open. You see so much. You see wormholes and portals all around you. So, yo, whatever you need to do to open up your third eye, do it. Because it's worth it at the end of the day. What time is it, y'all? What time is it, y'all? It's about fast breaking time. I'm not sure if oatmeal breaks my fast, but I'll definitely be breaking my fast around 9 to 10 a.m. Be making some healthy food, but I'm gonna make my protein shake. I'll go in depth more on the overall picture, but yeah, definitely the fast is gonna be broken. It's around this time right now, and it's gonna be broken around latest 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. So I want to say that on my YouTube channel. Definitely stick tuned to my YouTube channel because I'll be going in depth on everything that I've done. And yeah, today's the day I'm breaking my fast, man. Brand new, improved, true me, Ryan Brooks, happier, body, mind, and soul. That's it. The fast is done. Eat some scrumptious food. Told y'all how to cleanse your body. I ain't trying to show you my food. I want to show my clients my food. Basketball clients, people that want to get bigger or more toned in the weight room. I don't show and tell them what I eat. But, yo, I'm telling you, fasting is not for everybody. Fasting is more of a spiritual route. It's more of a route where you want to discover yourself and be able to see different avenues of life, open up your third eye, pineal gland and all that. But you want to be able to be open-minded. You don't want to be closed off to just Eastern Hemisphere types of living and eating and breathing, Western Hemisphere ideals and methodologies and all that. You want to be able to be open, right? You want to be able to be happy all at the same time. So I might have not mentioned it in the beginning of the video. This is going to be a YouTube video. But I started eating just organic food. I'm not telling you what it is because I don't feel like it. Only tell my clients that. And if you guys want to be any of my clients, basketball or personal training, definitely hit me up, DM me, and we can start talking. And I'm on the Eastern Coast. I can go to New York. I'm in New Jersey, Connecticut, Florida, wherever. I can go anywhere and everywhere. But I'm mainly in New Jersey right now doing some business. But mainly, I did this to really cleanse my body. I did this to cleanse my organs. I did this for longevity. I didn't want to be 50, 60, 70, 80 years old and be broken and have my back all messed up and I can't move around and stuff like that. I did this for me. And you guys can choose to do it too. You guys can choose to do a 3-day fast, a 1-day fast, intermittent fasting, a 1-week fast. I did a whole juice fast. I didn't do a water fast. I did a juice fast with tea and water. That's all I did. And I kept up with my body. I'm a sport athlete. I train people, like I said. So I had to keep up with my body. And I realized that this is something I really needed. This is something I really wanted to do because my body would be in pain like 3 months ago, 4 months ago. You know, I was just discovering myself and slowly unlocking my body. Where I had no pain, I still did the fast. I still fasted where I had no pain in my body. I wanted to make sure. So I would eat more just so I can replenish my body. So when I was ready, I would do the fast. And I'm pretty sure I either fasted for 3 days or maybe 5 days before, like a long time ago. But now I just did a whole 30-day fast and I did it like a pro. I did a whole bunch of sports. I've disciplined beyond discipline. So the way I act is because I've disciplined. When people want a certain way, I don't talk back. I'm just like, yeah. So I keep everything neutral. And I realized from working on myself and just being by myself for 4 months with my family and friends, I worked on myself intensely. And I realized that I've truly unlocked happiness. And what happiness is to me is not about the mansion, it's not about the car, not about the money, who's paying bills or whatever, who's the breadwinner. It's really about what you truly want to do in life. And you do that over and over again, every single day, every single second, no matter what. You find out your own research, you do your own way, you learn from your own mentors, you learn from your own books and videos, you experience different things, you do things your way, you act your way, as long as it doesn't hurt anybody physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, financially, you're okay. There's no law, there's no crime against that. You can act the way you want to act. And I just want to end this video by saying, to find true bliss, to find true happiness, you want to do what you truly want to do, not by what someone says, not by someone's opinion, by your own ideal, your own ideal. You want to fully do that. You want to wear a skirt in public, wear a skirt in public. You want to do UFC fights in the backyard, do it. I want to play basketball. I want to do computer science, and I love video games, and I love to make a business out of it, because this type of societies, you unlock more of what you want by money, but by the origin, you do exactly what you want to do right now, with or without money, every single day, with or without your friends and family, whatever your preference is. And when you do that every single day without prejudice, without anything defining you, you find your true self. And that's what I discovered in me. That's what I've been doing. And now I can fully do what I want. And I have a lot of personal things going on with myself. So I just want to say too much about me. I just wanted to give a message out and just say, like, do you, do what you love to do, study what you want to study, play what you want to play, as long as it's defying the odds and it doesn't eventually stop because you had to do this for somebody and do that, you have to move somewhere, whatever. As long as it's healthy and good to you and good to other people, keep doing that. And once you find that, that's happiness, that's bliss. And consistently doing that, that's true bliss. That's you becoming what you truly want to be at the end of the day. So that is when you really win the war. The war against, oh, this person went to that school, this person went to this school, this person got that job at that age. None of that matters. Like, a lot of stuff in media, none of that matters. It's about what I just said. It's about being happy and being of you, being your true self, not like having a master's degree at 18 years old. That doesn't matter. It's a piece of paper, but it's not a piece of paper to someone else. So if it matters to you or not, find your happiness. Find what truly matters to you and pursue it all the way. So on that, I'm about to explode into this food. I'm about to explode in basketball, computer science, video games, whatever, because that one makes me happy. And I'll be A-okay doing that. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more wherever this video is, Facebook, YouTube, and I'll see you later. Thank you. And yeah, definitely try it out. You know, have an open mind. You know, start slow and all that. Yeah, take care.